Hello, traveler. Thank you for choosing to travel with TravGuard. Our mission is simple: to help make your journey safer and more secure. Through the TravGuard portal, you can access 3 key services. 1. Pre-travel safety briefings based on the country you're going to. Create a managed pre-travel safety briefings for yourself or your team. We cover medical emergency briefing, law and police briefing, and security awareness briefing based on the country you're going to. 2. Speak with the TravGuard safety consultant. If you have specific travel concerns or unique requirements, you can connect directly with one of our safety consultants. Simply select Talk to a TravGuard consultant to start a chat, send us a message, or schedule a meeting. Whether you need personalized advice or a live virtual training session, our team is here to assist. 3. In-country support services. Our support doesn't end when your journey begins. If you require assistance while in country, our on-the-ground support team is available to help you navigate challenges and provide guidance whenever needed. Now let's get started. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up a pre-travel safety briefing using the TravGuard portal for yourself or your team. Let's begin.
On your dashboard, you'll see 2 main sections: briefings assigned to you and briefings you created. Briefings assigned to you are trainings that have been assigned to you to complete. Created briefings displays any briefings you have created for yourself or your team. To create a new briefing, click Create New Pre-Travel Safety Briefing. First, select the type of safety briefing you require. If you'd like to see the topics covered, click View Areas Covered in Briefings for a detailed breakdown. Next, select the duration. This determines how long the training will remain active. During this period, participants will receive reminder notifications every 2 days until the training is completed. Click Continue and enter the email addresses of the participants. If you're creating the briefing for yourself, simply enter your own email address. For larger groups, you can upload a CSV file to add multiple participants at once. Review and confirm the participant details, then proceed to payment. You'll see a summary of the training, including participant numbers, duration, and total cost. Once payment is successful, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Your newly created briefing will now appear under Briefings Assigned to You. Click on it to view the details and start your training immediately. You can save your progress at any time and return later to continue. If you've assigned training to others, they will receive an email containing the briefing details, the name of the person who assigned it, and a direct link to access the training. Thank you for choosing TravGuard. Stay informed, stay prepared, and travel safely.